How to use Copilot system settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to make changes to your Copilot settings, then let's dive right in. Open up Copilot, and then you need to go to the profile icon in the bottom left and then head over to settings. Now there you'll find preferences. You can see voice language option. You can choose auto detect or you can choose the language of your choice. You can put in voice. So you can put in the voice that you prefer. There is language option again. There is theme. You can change it to day, night, or according to the system default. So day means light mode and dark, night means dark mode. And then you can see on close, keep running the app. You can toggle it off if you want to, or to start on login. You can use Alt plus space to launch Copilot if you want to. And then you can listen, like you can say, hey pilot, and then they will listen and start a conversation if you toggle this on. You can give microphone access if you want to, or just do it later. And you can see vision session text ending as well. There are other permission settings like microphone, camera, and more. And other settings are privacy settings. So you can go through it and then toggle these on. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.